Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Lori Girl on the Ridge. It's Christmas Eve morning. Upstate New York is about 30 degrees with pretty big snowflakes falling. It's a perfect day. What I have to share with you today is, first of all, my granddaughter's been very sick, so I have been pretty much useless. I just can't function, and she's definitely getting better as of yesterday. So last night, I sat down and I came across this video that I'm a subscriber to, and it's Jenifer, A Trace of Sparkle. And she had the perfect video that I needed. And thank you so much, Jenifer, because I did stay up till 3 o'clock making these. It was these little Matchbox books, or booklets. So what we have, and she has a beautiful tutorial, so I just did a lot of decorating. And what I have is, the traditional Italian Christmas Eve at my house. It's about 30 people. We do all the fish and the games. And I needed these are perfect little favor type things for a nephew that brings a girlfriend or something. And I'll put ribbon and a candy cane on. Just something cute that I'm going to stick in the tree. But they are so adorable and so fun to work on. So I came up with these, and then last week I did the tutorial on making these fold overs. These, and you can do them on envelopes. So I did them. Oh, there's another one. So I did them on these and I glued them so you have extra writing spot. And then the same thing, but I did so many of them because they're fun to make too. And there's another one. And then like I said, you got the writing on the back, especially if you want to use a bright design paper. Oh, that's just another one, Tsunami Rose. Another little, they're just, like I said, they're so fun and easy to make. You could sew them, and like I said, she has a great tutorial on these. And they're not the gusseted kind, they're the ones that lay flat. And that one was a side one because I made a little booklet. Yeah, and then yesterday my oven died, so that's always good to, thank God I got enough paper. The rest of the food, as long as my granddaughter's feeling better, we thank God for crock pots and electric skillets. And that is it. That's what I wanted to share. So if you need a quick gift, I'll probably make a couple more before I have to really get going. Because these are just so cute. So again, excuse me, thanks Jenifer for, like I said, I stayed up to 3 o'clock making these because I was just having so much fun. So you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and we'll see you soon. Bye.